My name is James Meyer. I'm the principal architect at LeanArch Inc., Los Angeles. The process of designing and building the house was begun in 2005. The main challenge here in terms of massing was how do we bring in as much natural light and give the feeling of being, the sort of indoor-outdoor quality of living. So we looked to the Eames house as like a real inspiration in terms of just the floor plan and the way that the house works. It's basically a series of rectangular spaces. There's an exterior patio space off the kitchen. There's the main kitchen, dining, living room area. There's this sort of transition space in between that also has another outdoor patio, and then completes with the family room on the at the end of that sequence. So you always have this sort of indoor-outdoor, effect that's the theme that's sort of carried throughout the house on both the ground floor and upstairs. The other thing we did here in this house is we made all the doors go all the way up to the ceiling so they can pocket away. All the doors can be open and disappear into the walls so that those patio spaces really become, outdoor living spaces. So in a very small footprint, we're able to, create these long views in the house. They're internal views, so they're not necessarily like long vistas outside the house, but they're enjoying like the house through these series of open spaces. And I think it really adds to the character and quality of the spaces, makes it feel very open, very light. The other thing we did here is that we have a palette of materials that requires very little maintenance over the long run. We're using concrete fiber panels, we're using galvanized sheet metal, we're using a lot of natural products where we can. This is all a certified flooring. This particular species is a Caribbean cherry wood, which is sustainably grown and harvested. It's insect resistant. It's made for marine environments, so it's really durable. And then the integration of the alternative energy system. So we've tried to address all aspects here in the design of this house and really make it kind of an example of what can be done in terms of having a smaller space that feels really large, feels really open, maintains privacy in a community where the houses are all really close together. And once you're inside the house, you have absolutely no idea that there's a elementary school across the street.